bird's name in English and their information. Dear kids, this is woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird that picks tree trunks with its strong beak to find insects and make nest. Dear kids, this is peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird with colorful feathers. It spreads its tail and dances especially during the rainy season. Dear kids, this is eagle. Eagle is a strong and big bird with sharp eyes. It flies high and hunts small animals. Dear kids, this is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird commonly found near houses. It eats grain and seeds and chirps sweetly. Dear kids, this is cuckoo. Cuckoo is a bird known for its sweet voice. It lays its eggs in other birds' nests and eats insects and fruit. Dear kids, this is pigeon. Pigeon is a common bird found in cities and villages. It eats grains and seeds and can fly long distances. Dear kids, this is parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird found in many colors like green, red, blue and yellow. It can mimic human speech and eats fruits, seeds and nuts. Dear kids, this is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a colorful bird that lives near water. It catches fish by diving quickly into the water. Dear kids, this is crow. Crow is a smart black bird found everywhere. It eats almost anything like grains, insects and leftovers. Dear kids, this is crane. Crane is a tall bird with long legs and neck. It lives near water and eats fish, insects and plants. So friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.